All right, so when you want to change the color of an Extravision display case from white to black or from black to white, you'll need one of the panels from us, whether that's a black or a white panel, depending on what color you're changing to. But the first step here is you're going to flip this base over. So once you go ahead and flip it, you'll see that on the bottom of it, it'll look something like this. You're going to have these brackets here on both sides. For these brackets, you only have to undo these bottom ones. You can keep those put together. And then you're also gonna have these cam locks here, and those go all around the display case. Once you have these unscrewed and all these cam locks unscrewed as well, you're just gonna lift this top right off, and then we can just put that off to the side. So then you're left with a base that's just sitting right there. And then the next step is you're gonna unscrew all of these cam locks as well. It's easiest when you use a power drill, but you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those to take out. Once those cam locks are out, you're gonna go ahead and flip this base over. And then once you have it on this side, you're gonna have these gray inserts that are usually in here. We don't have them because it's already taken apart, but you're gonna pop those out. On one side of this, your goal is basically to spread this frame out. So right in here, you're gonna unscrew those 2 screws. And then looking at it this way, we're gonna come to this other top left corner and we're gonna undo those 2 screws. Once you have those screws unscrewed right in there, and same thing on that other side, when you bring the panel vertical, it'll make it nice and easy to just go like this, and you have that off. On the side, you're gonna pop this panel out. Might wanna hold it down. So once you have that panel out, you're gonna take your black panel, and then you will slide that right back in. Then you're gonna put this little cap on there, and it goes right back together the same way it came apart.